in this video, we need to make A the subject of the formula. Right. So our mission here, as you can agree, is to get this guy by itself. So we need to get A by itself, right? So right now, cos A is being multiplied by negative 2bc. So making this term one item, right? Then we are, and then that one item we subtracted from b squared minus c squared. Right. So the easiest way to do this is this. We can easily move this guy and that guy to the other side. So we're going to have a squared minus b squared, because it was plus b squared, and then minus c squared is equals to negative 2bc cosine of A. Alright. And then we can easily isolate cosine of A by dividing both sides by negative 2bc. Negative 2bc. Okay? So this and that will cancel each other out. So on the left we have a squared minus b squared minus c squared, and then at the bottom we have 2bc. The negative at the bottom, we are not allowed to write it there, rather put it here on the side. They do not have a negative denominator. Okay? You cannot have a negative denominator. Then that is cos A. Right? And then from there, let's apply the laws of cosines. So we're going to apply the inverse of cosine on both sides. So that this side we're going to have cos minus 1 in bracket. Then also this side we have cos minus 1, and then put that in bracket. That side we're going to just be left with a, and then this side we have cos minus 1 of negative a squared minus b squared minus c squared all over 2bc. And then that is your A being isolated, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching this video up to so far. If it was helpful, there's more videos like this, and we are going to be updating our content on a daily basis. Please don't forget to share with family and friends. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Tango.